Welcome to my tutorial of how to solve questions of statics. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through step-by-step process of solving questions of classified concepts of statics. So get your drink, grab your calculator, grab your pen and paper because we are getting started right now. Let's read the question carefully. The magnitude of the resultant of the three forces shown below is 140 Newton and in positive direction of x-axis. The angle alpha must be most nearly. In FE exam, you have a limited time, which is 2 minutes and 54 seconds to answer each question. In average, it would be better if you could give it a try and practice this question within this period of time, but anyway, it's up to you and we can move forward now. Let's go through the solution. The question is giving us the direction of the resultant, which is only in x direction. It means the resultant of this force system doesn't have any magnitude along y direction. So we can conclude that sigma Fy is 0. The magnitude of the resultant force is given 140 Newton and the direction is in the positive direction of x. So sigma Fy is 0 and sigma Fx is 140 Newton. These are the assumptions in this question. So by substituting these values into these two equations, we have the red color force 100 Newton along y direction. We have the green color force 120 Newton. We need to find its components along x and y. So we need to project it along x and y. And also for the blue color force, F force, we need to project it and find its components along x and y. By doing that and substituting the values into these two equations, finally, we have two unknown variables, which are F force and angle of alpha. The question is asking only the angle of alpha. So we don't need to spend our time to find F force. So between these two unknown variables, we need to remove F force from these two equations. And then finally, we are able to find alpha. Remember, the time is limited and it is 2 minutes and 54 seconds. So we need to be fast and decide which variable is required. So by solving the equations and eliminating the F force, tangent of alpha is 0.163 and alpha is 9.3 degree. So the answer is option C. A heavy box with the weight W is held in equilibrium with two ropes as shown. Which diagram correctly shows a vector polygon of the forces acting on the box? And you have 4 options in this question. This is a multiple choice question. Let's move to the solution. All right, in this example, we have a heavy box which is held in equilibrium by the ropes. We have 3 ropes here in 3 colors, one in blue color, another in green color, another in light brown color. And these 3 ropes reach together at a point. The conjunction point is important here. We are going to draw the free body diagram for that point, which is under the tensile strength from T1 rope, tensile strength from the green color rope, which is T2, and another tensile strength from the blue color rope, which is W. So these 3 tensile forces are in equilibrium for the conjunction point when 3 ropes reach together. This example is giving us extra data and information. We must be careful in the exam. We may receive extra data and we need to select those required for the answer. So these are 3 forces acting on the conjunction point, T1, T2, and W. What you need to do is to transmit 2 of these forces in order to reach the vector polygon given in the options of the question. So simply we can transmit the forces, but we need to be careful the direction of the forces are the same. So the direction of force must remain the same. So here the picture shows that how we transmit the green color force T2, its direction remains the same, and also the brown color vector T1, we transmit it, but again its direction remains the same, and then we have this vector polygon. So the final answer is option D, and our audience here seems happy. Let's challenge yourself and try to answer this question within 2 minutes and 54 seconds. The question says the magnitude of the resultant of all forces shown below is most nearly. And you have 4 options. And we are not gonna solve this question because this is served as a self-practice. But I give you the final answer. The final answer is option B. If you like this video, please click on the thumb up button. And if you'd like to receive notification for my upcoming videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell like this. Thanks for watching.